Unmasking modal verbs. Mastering the present ability in negative sentences. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets of expressing ability in the present using negative sentences. This is an important topic in modal verbs that can help you speak English more naturally and accurately. Let's dive right in. Modal verbs are a special group of verbs that add extra meaning to the main verb of a sentence. They express abilities, possibilities, permissions, or obligations. For our discussion today, we'll focus on the modal verbs used to express ability: can and could. In this video, we are concentrating on can, which is used for expressing ability in the present. When we want to express that we don't have the ability to do something now, we use the modal verb, can, in a negative form, which is can't or cannot. Let's consider some examples. I can't swim. She cannot speak French. We can't come to the party tonight. These sentences express a present inability to do something. It's important to remember that after can't or cannot, we use the base form of the main verb. Avoid adding to or changing the verb form. Incorrect. I can't to swim. Correct. I can't swim. Incorrect. She cannot speaking French. Correct. She cannot speak French. Incorrect. We can't to come to the party tonight. Correct. We can't come to the party tonight. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using can't or cannot to express a lack of ability. Write them in the comments below and we'll provide feedback. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on expressing present ability in negative sentences. We hope this has made the concept of modal verbs, specifically can, clearer for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep crafting sentences, stay curious, and as always, keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.